Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign in on Fishdom with Facebook. If you've got a Facebook account and you'd like to sign in with your Facebook account for Fishdom, then here is how you can do it. First, open your Fishdom application and make sure that you're inside your main homepage. Once you are, tap on the gear button at the top left-hand corner. In the pop-up, tap on Save Progress. You'll be able to save your game's progress by signing in using one of the options. You can either sign in using your Google account, Apple account, or Facebook account. To sign in with Facebook, make sure that you are already logged in with your Facebook account on this particular device. Now tap on Sign in with Facebook in the display. Tap the Continue button in order to end up in the website for Facebook. If you're already logged in to your Facebook account, you'll be able to see this open button. Tap on it, and on the next page, tap the Continue button to allow Fishdom to connect to Facebook. Wait for a few seconds and you should be able to log into Fishdom using your Facebook account. But remember that if you're not already logged in with your Facebook account using the Facebook app, you will need to type in your Facebook account's credential to log in to Fishdom. That is how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.